Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat problem C14A service unavailable. Actually, it's very easy. I'll show you several ways of how you can fix this problem. This is how the problem look like. This is not my screenshot, it is poor quality. This is not my screenshot. I already fixed this problem on my device. So if you get this type of problem, first of all you need to close the Snapchat and open settings on your device. So as you open settings, first of all you need to check your internet connection, because this problem may appear because of your poor internet connection. So go and click on the Wi-Fi and try to connect to the Wi-Fi, the different Wi-Fi that is connected to the internet. So choose from the list. Now simply turn off the Wi-Fi for several seconds and turn it on again. Go back and do the same trick with mobile service. So simply turn off the mobile data for 5 seconds and then turn it on again, go back, turn on airplane mode and turn it off. So basically that is how we will reset all the connections on our phone, and basically we can fix this problem. So go and check if the problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open the App Store and check if there are some updates for the Snapchat. Maybe this is the problem with this version of Snapchat. So if you update the Snapchat, the problem will be gone. So type here the Snapchat in the search bar and look for the Snapchat in the results. So click on it and make sure you're using the latest version. Unless you need to click on the update to stay up to date, and maybe in the newer version of the Snapchat, this problem is already fixed. So wait a little bit and check if the problem is gone or not. And the last thing I'll suggest you to do to fix this problem is to open the browser and go and type here contact Snapchat support, something like that, and choose the first website, help.snapchat.com. So click on contact us, and here in this list or select a topic, it says you need to choose I can't access my account. Now here you need to scroll down just a little and choose here I see an error message when I log in. So expand this. Is your account locked? No, our account is not locked. Scroll down once again and click on the error message I got isn't listed here. So expand it as well. Here you have some information and go and click on the filling in this form right here. So we will get to the point where we can contact to the Snapchat support. So enter your username here, your Snapchat username, your email address, mobile number, and describe your problem, provide some screenshots, etc. And basically that is how you will contact Snapchat support, and they will help you with your problem directly. So basically that is the main ways of how you can fix the problem. But the last way, you can check if the Snapchat is down or not. So go and type in the search bar Snapchat down detector and check the website down detector Snapchat. So click on the first link here, Snapchat down or not working, and see the graphs. So as you can see, there are some problems, as you can see right now with the Snapchat servers, and if you scroll down you can see people complaining about some bugs and problems. So if you have the same problem at the same time with these people, it means basically that this problem is not from your side but from the side of the Snapchat servers, and you need to just wait a little bit until the problem will be resolved by developers. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix Snapchat problem C14A service unavailable. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.